What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a YouTube intro in Canva. This is quite easy, just make sure you watch this video till the very end. If you find value in this video, then give it a like, drop a comment down below, and consider subscribing for more videos like this in the future. So let's get started. Now if you are new to Canva is actually a site where you can do graphic design. You can even design your thumbnails here, you can even edit your YouTube videos, you can create websites and many more. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to create a YouTube intro right here in Canva. We're actually going to design something very simple like this one. Let's actually preview it and see. Okay, so let's go back and let's get into it. So to begin with, you can actually search here. So click on the search bar here and search for YouTube intro. So if you scroll down here, you will find amazing templates that you can use. You can actually click on it, edit it, and then you can change it to your style. If you look, you'll find that some are actually on the Pro version. So if you look at this button here which says Pro, that means that you have to be on the Pro version before you can access it. So on Canva we have the free version and we have the Pro version. If you want to get access to more features and more tools, more elements, then you can subscribe to the Pro version. But however, you can do most things even with the free version. Okay, so if you check, you'll find this is a free version. As you can see, very nice. So you can explore here and see if you can find some nice ones that you like, edit it, and then make them your own. However, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to design a YouTube intro right from scratch. So go ahead and click on create a blank video. Alright, so this is where we're going to be working on. And if you look here, if you check the design tab, you can still see some templates here that you can use. You can even search for specific templates. Let's say your channel is a cooking channel, you can say cooking channel YouTube intro. Let's put it that way. So you can search for specific templates. As you can see, you have amazing food channel YouTube intros that you can actually edit them and then make them your own. So like I said, we're going to design from scratch. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is to change the background color. Let's click on the background color button right here, and then we're going to use this color right here. So feel free to use any color of your choice. So the next thing we're going to do is to add some text. So come here, then click on text, and then click on add a heading, and then feel free to add your YouTube channel. So I'm just going to say reedteck. Alright, so let's change the font style. Click on font here, and I'm going to use this font Anton. Let's increase the size like this. Okay, so let's change the color. Click on text color right here, and let's give it a white color. Click on effects and let's style it a bit. So next we're going to add another text. So go to text and then click on add a subheading. And you can add your tagline or whatever, maybe what your channel is all about. So let's just say, so you can write anything. You can write what your channel is all about or your tagline. Okay, let's decrease the size a bit. Let's click on effects and come to background. I would like to give it a background color. So let's change the background color to black, and we're going to change the text color to something like yellow. Alright, so this is looking good. So the next thing we can do is to add some elements. So if you like, you can add some elements around the page. So if your channel is about a cooking channel, you can actually come to elements and search for specific cooking elements, or let's say specific foods. So you can say jollof rice, and you can actually find nice graphics and photos of jollof rice, and then you add them to the page just like this. Click it and then it will be added to the page. You place it wherever you like, you resize it however you like, just like this, just to make the page or to make your intro very nice. Alright, so since this is a tech channel, I'll just say tech elements or tech icons. Let's put it that way. Let's come to the graphics section and I'll just add something like this. Alright, place this one here like that. So I'm just quickly going to add some more. Alright, so next you can also add your pictures, especially if it is about vlogs or even the fashion channel. You can even add pictures around the page like that, or just one side. Okay, so to do that, all you have to do is go to upload, and then you can click on upload files, and then you locate where your picture is. But I have already uploaded some files here, so I'll just click on this picture right here and you can place it somewhere here. Let's resize it like that. Okay, let's bring it in front of the reedteck text. Right click on it, go to layer and bring forward. Simple as that. Alright, next you can add a subscribe button, or you can even write something here, maybe what your channel is about. So let's click on text, then add a subheading, and then we can see, let's bring it down here. We can see something like this, and let's resize it. I'm actually going to change the font. Let's click on font, and then we're going to give it something like Anton. Alright, and place it right here. Alright, so the next thing we're going to do is to animate the page. As you can see, all these are just static elements, so you can click on animate right here, and then feel free to explore all the animation. You have these ones, we have a lot of animations, just feel free to explore them. Let's see. I'm going to use pop. Click on it, and let's click on both. Alright, so the next we're going to do is to add another page. So click on add page here, click on the plus icon here, and we're going to do a different design. So over here we're going to add our social media links. So the first thing we're going to do is to bring a phone frame. So go to elements and search for phone frame. So let's click on see all right here, and we're going to let's use this one, and then let's bring it somewhere here. Let's resize it and rotate it. Use this rotation button right here. Okay, next we're going to write some text. So go back to text, and we can actually search for specific text types. So click on here, and we're going to say sparkle, and we're going to use this particular design. Click on it, and we're going to edit it. Let's say connect to me, and then we're going to resize it and place it somewhere here. Alright, then we'll go back to element, and then we're going to cancel this, and then we'll go to shape, and we're going to add rectangle shape, and we're going to resize it. You can change the color if you like. Let's give it a rounded corners. Click on corners button here, and let's see. Alright, so this is cool. Next we're going to add our social media handles. So go back to text and click on, so let's cancel this, click on add a subheading, and we're going to say at reed_tech. Let's say this is our TikTok handle. Let's bring it here. Let's change the font style, and let's change the color. And now we're going to add the TikTok icon. So you go back to elements, and then you're going to search for TikTok icon. Let's click on see all here. As you can see, we don't actually have nice TikTok icons that we want to use, and even the nicest one here are on the pro version. So whenever you're looking for an element on Canva and you don't get what you want, you can actually always download it from Pinterest. So as you can see, you can simply just search for example Instagram icon PNG, and you have a whole lot of options, different colors, different styles that you can download and use them in Canva. So let's go back. So if you go to uploads, I already have some icons that I downloaded on Pinterest, and I uploaded them here in Canva. So let's click on it to use it. So we're going to do same for other social media handles. Alright, so the next thing you can do is to add one of your social media pages here in the phone frame. It could be a screenshot, or it could be even a screen recording. So you can go to your social media page, you screenshot or you screen record it. So let's go to uploads and then click on videos, and I have a screen recording of my Instagram right here. I'll just drag and drop it in the frame like this. Alright, you can also trim it if you like. So let's trim the video. So click on trim right here, and you can use these buttons to trim it, or you can simply just click here, let's say 5 seconds, click on enter, just like that. Alright, so this is looking good. If you like, you can also add a subscribe button right here. So let's go back to elements, and like I said, you search for subscribe button. If you don't find any nice one that you like, you can always download a subscribe button or whatever you want on Pinterest. So if you go to uploads, I have a subscribe button right here. So I'm going to click on it, and let's add it, let's resize it and place it somewhere here. Alright, so I'm going to go back to elements, and then I'm going to search for click, so that we'll add a click to it, and it will be like someone or something is clicking on it. So let's explore what we have here, and I'm going to use this one. So we're going to resize it and place it somewhere here. Alright, so let's select the page and go to animate, and then you can use the same pop, or you can actually change it. So let's use party for this one. Alright, so let's click on both. Alright, so once you are done, all you have to do is download it. So to download it, you have to click on share here, and then click on download right here. Now you can use MP4, so then you click on download right here. Then you can add music to it. If you like, you can add music to it here in Canva, or when you go to your editing app, CapCut, or anywhere, you can add music to it in your editing app. Then you can use it in your YouTube videos. So if you found value in this video, then give it a like, drop a comment down below, let me know the video you want to see next, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.